Hi, we're at IBC 2022 and we're at the Distant booth with Ramon. Hello, Ramon.
Hi, good
And
to have you guys.
thank you. You're the distributor of Godox here in Europe, right?
Yeah.
And what do you have to show us?
We have here the new 1200 watts from Godox. And the special thing about the new 1200 watts is that it's 1200 watts on the whole range because it's a bi-color version. And it goes up from 2800 to 6500 Kelvin. And on the whole range is still 1200 watts. So that's something really special we have here. And with a lot of lights, yeah, they start at 1%, 10%, but this one starts at 0.1.
Yeah, it makes sense for such a powerful light.
Exactly, you don't need the power always. It's also thermal protected, so when you are outside it's hot and it's getting too hot, it's protecting itself, so it can't overheat. At 85 degrees it will give you a notice. Okay, it's getting hot out here, take care of me. It has also a silent fan. It has an intelligent fan, in fact. It adjusts to the power setting you are using, but also it only produces 32 decibel on max
nothing.
power.
Yeah,
so
nothing.
that's a really quiet light. This is the new Godox large mount we are using, and if I take it off, it will also automatically turn off. And our connector points right here. The connector points will tell the light which modifier you're using. At this moment, we don't have the whole lineup of modifiers ready, so we don't know what's coming. But the light settings will be adjusted by the connection points that are mounted on it. So I will put it back, and then the light will turn on automatically when it notices I have a modifier on there. Yeah,
That's really cool.
you can use it with a remote. So that's the. I don't have all the specs yet, but
Yeah,
that will probably
it's a
fit for the
prototype.
remote. Yeah, it's really the prototype. And there's a Bluetooth connection in it, so you can also use it with the new Godox app.
Ah, okay, that's cool. In terms of connections, I see in a USB you have DMX, right? The power cables are locking Neutrik, I see here.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, also up here, also all protected. You cannot pull them out direct. So we don't have a release date yet. We don't have a price yet at this moment, but I hope this will be known soon. We already had the M600D. They also introduced now the M600D Bi color.
So we have 600 watts at bicolor, like this, but
The smaller
one
version.
with balance mount, right?
Exactly. We're releasing really soon the 200 and 300 version of those. Yeah, so the whole lineup is complete.
So now we have basically lights from 1200 by. You don't have a daylight version yet, but 1200 by and all the way down to 200 watt lights at bicolor. That's very cool. Okay, thank you very much,
Yeah,
Ramon.
you're welcome.